received another package. Guess what it is? Probably the most important part of my conversion. So looks good. Very able to stay there. I'm going to fit the refrigerator, so I put a temporary countertop in. This will be removed, so that's a little bit in the way, but at least I can get a feel of how it really fits into this corner, and we'll see what happens. That's interesting. My first impressions of the fridge itself is that it really looks well made, well finished. It's small, it's a 2.3 or 2.4 cubic feet. There's a LED lamp in, so that's fine. Got a small freezing compartment, so it can have some ice cream or freeze in some meat. But that looks good. That's certainly what I hoped for. And with regard to the fitting, I have to make one principal decision. I was hoping to put it at this location. Would like to push it a little bit further, about an inch or so, or 2 inches further to the back. But then I would have my side cabinets at this location too. So this is more or less the room, the standing room that I have to the other side where the closet is. The decision that I have to make is, this is what I planned for, or I have to decide to move it back into this side cabinet, and the front of the flange is now equal with the front of the cabinets, the side cabinets. So that just works out perfectly. And I think that this is even a little bit more convenient than I thought it would be. I have started working on a cabinet for the fridge. That is made out of 3/4 inch plywood, a little bit heavier than the kitchen cabinet because of the weight of the fridge. This is the first one I'm working on. I already made a few cuts, and I'm just easing it into the side wall, mostly making a cut, fit it, bring it out, and I'll be doing that another 20 or 30 times, I think, but I'm taking it slow. Okay. I still have to move it just in about an inch or so to the left, at least at this point. It's this distance that I still need. another try, another fit. And finally, after so many attempts, I have been removing some other stuff already, but I'm also removing the kitchen cabinet hopefully for the last time, for two reasons. First of all, I started working on that cabinet here that goes from ceiling to floor, so that's one reason. The other is that I still have to work on the grey water tank. Okay. Even stay. That's it. Even stay. Yeah, okay. You're okay. You're okay. Since I want to install this cabinet for the fridge as well as for the solar equipment underneath, this panel, this temporary panel, is in the way, so I have to remove that. So I'll disconnect it from the solar panels and take it out for a couple of weeks until the cabinet is done, and then I can reinstall it the way it should be. So that's where I start with. Okay? No problem? Okay. Silence is golden. Huh? Okay, now the solar panels are disconnected. I'll put the box back together again. Okay, that's it. Keep most of it intact, but I have to loosen these. I have to loosen the fan, the max air fan, from my fuse box. Now I can continue to work on the cabinet. Okay, I got my fire extinguisher installed here in front. I've got a second one I'll be installing in the interior. But for safety I also bought a window breaker. So I plan to put that. That was the most convenient place I could find, so I'll put that above the fire extinguisher. That looks good. at least it's in there.
Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.